Have you ever been told or heard somebody say that YouTube isn't a real job? Well, that's no longer the case, actually. Many YouTubers are becoming millionaires, and I'd say that some will even be future billionaires. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly why that is and how this shift is happening right before our eyes. Let's dive into the world of content creators and see how they're reshaping the future of business. Let's start with the story of YouTube. Back in 2005, at the time of its founding, YouTube was just a simple platform with genuine videos and small creators. But it didn't take long for YouTube to blow up in popularity. A few years later, Google bought it for $1.5 billion, and that was the start of something huge. Soon after, companies started advertising on YouTube, and YouTube decided to share that ad revenue with their creators. That one move created a whole new world of opportunities. Suddenly, YouTube isn't just a hobby, it's an actual job. In fact, today, it's the job that many people dream of. More than 75% of today's kids and over 35% of Gen Zers say that they want to be YouTubers. Today, successful YouTubers are called influencers, and for good reason. They don't just entertain, they influence the thoughts, opinions, and even actions of millions of people. Just like celebrities, influencers make money from the attention they get, but now many of them are realizing they can make even more. Instead of advertising products for other companies, creators are starting to launch their own brands. Take Mr. Beast, for example. He could easily partner with any large food chain like McDonald's or Burger King and earn huge sponsorship fees. But instead, he launched Mr. Beast Burger, his own burger company. Now, instead of getting a cut, he makes 100% of the profit, and he has full control of the company. He could even sell the company for more money down the line if he wants to. And Mr. Beast isn't alone. Many creators are following suit. Logan Paul and KSI launched Prime, a successful beverage brand. And Emma Chamberlain and Graham Stephan have their own coffee brands. These aren't just merch items. They're full-blown businesses. They're in stores like Walmart, so even people who have never seen their videos can buy these products. Think about it. If you were to launch a coffee brand today, you'd have to spend millions on marketing and branding just to get noticed. But influencers already have a loyal audience that knows and trusts them, so they're starting off with a huge advantage. Now, you might be thinking, well, sure, they're successful, but could they really become billionaires? Here's the thing. These creators don't need to know everything about running a successful business. They just need to partner with people who do. Again, take Mr. Beast as an example. He doesn't personally manage the logistics of running restaurants or producing chocolate bars. Instead, he works with people who handle those aspects of the business while he works on what he does best, creating viral videos. The takeaway is this: creators can leverage their influence to build massive businesses without being business experts themselves. On the topic of being a content creator, what if I told you that you could create a video in less than 1 minute? Well, with Bith.ai, that's exactly what you can do. Bith.ai is an AI-powered tool that generates videos for you on any topic, and it's incredibly fast. Here's how it works. Just go to Bith.ai, click on AI video, type in your topic, and add a few details. In under a minute, your video will be ready to preview and edit. You can then export it and start sharing your content. More and more people are starting YouTube channels with almost no effort thanks to tools like Bith.ai. It's changing the game for creators, allowing anyone to jump into the content world with ease. So there you have it. The future of content creation is not just about making videos, but about building businesses and empires. Creators are positioning themselves to become the billionaires of tomorrow, and the possibilities are endless. If you're thinking of starting your own YouTube channel or business, then go to Bith.ai and let me know your thoughts in the comments once you've tried it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more content like this.